Good morning, students. Now we will do one problem on boilers. First, I will read out the problem and then I will give the data that is given in the problem, and then how to solve the problem I will explain in the video. So a boiler generates 500 kg of steam at a 16 bar and 300 degrees centigrade from feed water at 30 degrees centigrade. Coal used is 60 kg per hour of calorific value 30,000 kilojoules per kg. Find the equivalent evaporation and boiler efficiency. So basically simple problem. So what is the data given? Here there is a boiler which generates 500 kg per hour. So let us write what is the given data. Given data. Mass of steam that is generated m dot s is equal to 500 kg per hour. And what is the pressure? The pressure of the steam is P is equal to 16 bar. So that means the steam is being generated at a rate of 500 kg per hour at 16 bar. And what is the temperature? Temperature is equal to 300 degree centigrade. So it is a superheated steam at 16 bar. If it is the dry saturation temperature is less than 300 degrees centigrade, then it's a superheated steam. We should need not worry about whether it is superheated or dry saturated. Only if it is a wet steam, then we have to think about. So if it is a dry saturated steam or a superheated steam, no problem. Directly we can take the enthalpy values at this particular state. And the feed water temperature. The feed water temperature is equal to 30 degrees centigrade. 30 degrees centigrade. So now, what is the fuel use? The rate of fuel used is m dot f. This is 60 kg per hour. The coal is being used at a rate of 60 kg per hour. And what is the calorific value of the coal? This is 30,000 kilojoules per kg. So what you have to find out? Find one, the equivalent evaporation. Equivalent evaporation, and the second one is boiler efficiency. So suppose you take this particular the saturation dome. Saturation dome, this is the temperature and entropy. This is temperature and entropy. So at temperature 300 degrees centigrade, somewhere at 300 degrees centigrade, the steam at 300 degrees centigrade and 16 bar, we need to get the enthalpy at this particular point. So this is the HF, the final enthalpy of the steam. So HF is the enthalpy of steam at 300 degrees centigrade and 16 bar. So from the steam table we can easily find out this is at a superheated condition. At 16 bar, the saturation temperature is around 280 or something like that. So this is superheated steam. Directly you can get this particular enthalpy value from the superheated steam tables. So the enthalpy value at this superheated steam table is 3037.3. So this is obtained from the superheated steam table 3037.3 kilojoules per kg. So the feed water, the feed water is coming from somewhere, okay, and then it is getting heated, and then it is getting evaporated and then superheating. Okay, so the feed water saturation temperature we have to see. What is the feed water saturation temperature? So that is equal to the HF1 at 30 degrees centigrade. So this is the feed water saturation temperature. The saturation temperature of feed water is at 30 degrees centigrade. At 30 degrees centigrade, the saturation temperature. The saturation temperature means wherever the 30 degrees centigrade line is intersecting with the saturation curve. So at this point, what is the saturation temperature? From the steam table directly we can get this value. This is 125.99 kilojoules per kg. So that means what you have to understand is the steam is getting heated, the feed water temperature, because the feed water is supplied at 30 degrees centigrade. The feed water has to be heated to the 300 degrees centigrade and to the pressure of 16 bar. So this is the initial enthalpy and the state, this is the final state. This is the initial state and this is the final state. So you need to take the difference of the enthalpies of these two states, so that how much enthalpy is or heat is added to the water. Okay. So now the mass of the steam that is generated, the mass of actual steam generated is equal to m dot s by m dot f. This is the mass of steam generated per kg of fuel. So how much it is generated? This is 500 kg. 500 divided by the fuel is 60 kg. So this comes to be 500 by 60. 8.33 kg per hour. This much of steam is getting per kg of fuel. Kg of fuel. This much amount of steam is generated per kg of fuel. So what is the equivalent evaporation? Equivalent evaporation is equal to what is the meaning of equivalent evaporation? That is the amount of steam that is generated at from and at 100 degrees centigrade. So if all the heat is supplied at 100 degrees centigrade, then what will be the amount of steam that is generated? So the enthalpy of the steam at the latent heat of evaporation, that is HFG. HFG at 100 degrees centigrade, that we already know from the table, that is 2257 kilojoules per kg. So what is this formula here? This is a MA into, that is mass of steam generated per kg of fuel, to H final enthalpy minus initial enthalpy divided by that HFG at 100 degrees centigrade, that is 2257. 2257. So this you can easily calculate now. 8.33 into 30. What is the H? H value is equal to H value is equal to, sorry, this is not HF, this is H. This is the final enthalpy. So 3037.3 minus 125.99 divided by 2257. 57. How much it is coming? Let us calculate. 8.33 into 3037.3 minus 125.99 equal to into 8.33 divided by 2237. So this is 10.75. 10.75 kg per kg of fuel. So this is the equivalent amount of evaporation that is normally denoted by symbol called ME. Okay, so this is the ME. This is quantity is ME. ME, this is the equivalent quantity of evaporated steam. So if you supply 1 kg of fuel at these conditions, so that is at 300 degrees centigrade and 16 bar, okay, so this much amount of steam will be generated had it been at 100 degrees centigrade and atmospheric pressure. Okay, so this much of steam will be generated at 100 degrees centigrade and atmospheric pressure. Now the next one is the boiler efficiency. This is a very simple one. Boiler efficiency. This is the amount of heat that is taken by the amount of heat added to the steam. Heat added to steam divided by heat supplied by fuel. So how much is actually what is this amount of heat added? This is equal to the difference of enthalpies of initial and final states. Okay, so the same thing. So 3037.3 minus 125.99. This is per kg of the steam. Okay, so this is 3037.33, 3 minus 125.99. This is the amount of heat that is added per kg of steam into 500 divided by how much fuel? Fuel is equal to 60 kg per hour into what is the calorific value? Calorific value is equal to 30,000 kilojoules per kg. So this is again 3037.3 minus 125.99 into 500 divided by 60 divided by 3000. So this is 80.86. So 0.8086. So that is nothing but boiler efficiency is 80.86%. So this is the boiler efficiency. Boiler efficiency is simply the amount of heat that is taken by the water divided by actually what is the heat supplied by the fuel. So this is a problem, a simple problem. In this one, the equivalent evaporation and boiler efficiency has been asked to find out. The given data is the steam flow rate has been given and the condition of the steam has been given, and the initial condition of feed water and the mass flow rate, calorific value, everything is given. simply you have to remember this formula. This is actually the equivalent evaporation. That is what is MA? MA is the actual steam generated per kg of fuel, and this is the H, the initial final enthalpy of the steam, and this is HF1, that is initial enthalpy of the feed water, divided by this is the latent heat of vaporization HFG at 100 degrees centigrade. So this is one problem. Next we will do another problem in another video.